everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another layout, and today I'm going to document that photo, you can just barely see it, of my brother-in-law with his granddaughter, so my great niece. So I'm going to start out with this multi-dot polka dot paper, and that is from Bella Boulevard's Sweet Baby Girl, and it's the Mrs. Teddy paper. It has teddy bears on the back, very cute. And I'm mounting that on this diagonal stripe paper. And I had previously gutted that. Sometimes I'll do with that with the multiple stripe is if I want to use it to like mat a photo, I'll do it right in the middle because I know I can use it for this kind of a situation then. So that diagonal stripe is also Bella Boulevard, the Color Chaos paper in Peep strands. And then I'm going to, I'm thinking about backing that photo on the green there. Thought about doing it on the pink, and then I decided I like the pop of green better. That is from Doodlebug Petite Prints, the Limeade Gingham Linen. And then I'm going to add it onto that dot paper, the regular pink polka dot, which is Doodlebug Petite Prints and Cupcake Dot Stripe. Hard to say. So then I have this really cute border, and I'm kind of playing around with where I want it. Like he's playing with her, so I think it's kind of cute. So I played around with it at the top, and then I'm thinking about the bottom now, but I feel like it's getting lost. I'm not quite sure how to kind of solve that. So then I grab my washi tape here. This again is from Bella Boulevard, very old. But I still have some left because you know those washi tapes last forever. That border, by the way, is Sweet Baby Girl, Bella Boulevard Sweet Baby Girl. It's the Borders paper. So again, just kind of figuring out like spacing here because I'm thinking I'm going to put the washi tape on the top and the bottom. And there are blue dots in this. It's a little harder for me to see that on the screen. I'm hoping you can pick that up a little bit better. Now, I could have done two different things with this. I could have only gone across the width of that square. In this particular case, I'm wrapping it across the whole width. And that's true of that pink paper. I could have just cut it to the width of the square, which I think would have been about 11 1/4 or 11 inches. So just kind of playing around to get this down. And I'm liking the definition of this, kind of. Because honestly, when I get it done and everything glued down, I'm not sure that I like how it looks. Like my eye is just seeing the blue paper or the blue stripes, and that's it. And so I'm kind of thinking about taking it off, but then realize it's going to be hard to get off, and the Bella Boulevard tape will sometimes rip. See, still thinking, I don't like that blue, I don't like that blue. And then I decide, you know, I don't have any other embellishments on here. Maybe if I bring other colors in and other things in, it might make a big difference. So that's what I'm doing now. So I have these die cuts, those heart die cuts. Those are from the Sweet Baby Girl paper pieces. And so is that little Love You die cut. And then I find this Love You die cut from the paper pieces as well. And that'll end up being my title. And as I'm putting more and more on, my eye is coming. It's not so focused on just the blue washi tape anymore. I think maybe if I had to go back and do this all over again, I might use pink. But at the time I thought the blue would be kind of a nice way to set that off. But just so you know, if I could do it over. Now, is it that big of a deal? No. But just for design's sake, for the future, that's probably what I would do. So I'm finding, now I'm going through and I'm going to the chipboard pieces, which are the Chow chip icons from Sweet Baby Girl. And that's where that polka dot heart is from, the lighter pink polka dot heart. And then the yellow heart that I was using is also from that same chipboard sheet. I'm just kind of adding them in together. I like the height of adding that chipboard, and I keep going back and forth because I'm thinking about putting something up in that top left corner. Again, kind of surrounding my photo with the embellishments. Thinking about the orange die cut there, and it's just not really working for me. Then I see this tab there that says "So in Love," and he is so in love with her, and he's so cute with her. This is the little sister to my great nephew. So he's so good with both of the kids, but my brother-in-law is a great dad too. But she's just fascinated with him, as is his grandson. He always wants to know where Papa is if he's not there. When my sister and I went out to visit them in September, my poor sister, she was there, and her grandson kept asking where Papa was. He eventually gave up, but it was kind of cute and funny. And I said, uh-oh, we know who his favorite is now. For now, anyway. All right, so I'm just using my Scotch tacky glue to get this down. Just because it's so narrow, I decided not to use my my ATG, or the lettering is so narrow. So thinking about maybe putting something else up in the top or adding more into this cluster. I did add the "Love You" there. So I like the addition of that green heart to balance some of the green from the photo mat. There was a little bit on that striped heart, but this is even a bigger pop. And now I think the blue is okay. There's some blue in that heart, or it's really kind of an aqua blue. It's less, now that I have embellishments on there, it stands out less. I still think I would do pink if I was doing this from the beginning again, but it is what it is. So now I'm going to add some enamel dots from Eyelet, Outlet, and Brad's. I'll put 3 in that heart cluster, and then kind of thinking about adding one there. I added the big, and then I decided, you know what, I'm not going to do it on the tab at all. I'm going to do 3 of them on the "I love you" there. And I really like how that turns out in the end. All right, guys, so I'm going to go through, and I forgot I did this. I just added the date here. All right, everybody, here's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.